Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Arman and in this video I'm going to talk about the things that happened on the chart in the past week and let's see what's the possible trend will be like in the next week. Before we go to the analysis, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Well, as you can see, I start with gold in the weekly time frame and we see that the price started a heavy fall from 2025 from this zone and was able to correct up to 1975. Yes, man, this was based on our expectations, and the first liquidity void was in the range of 1993, which was completely filled. And after that, the price took a step to fill the FBG that was in the range of 2040 from in this zone to 2072. Now to see more details, let's check the chart in the daily time frame. Okay, I was talking about this FBG. By checking the chart in the daily time frame, we can see that the price after entering the demand zone on 1966 to 1985 was accompanied by a positive reaction and was able to grow up to 2045 in this zone. Um, okay, sorry. Okay, according to the latest daily candlestick, as you can see, after entering the specified FVG, gold was accompanied by selling pressure in here and was able to close at the 2019. If the price stabilizes below this level from here, let me show you. Okay. If the price can stabilizes below this level, we can expect a further fall from gold, and its first bearish targets will be 2008 year and 1997, okay, respectively. Meanwhile, this analysis will be updated soon, so wait for the next video and don't forget to like this video and leave us a comment. Have a nice trading week.